Hey everyone, it's Max Pacomico here and you're welcome to episode number 3. In this episode I'm talking about AdWords. I've stumbled upon the Tim Ferris Litmus Hack test in which you can generate or test the demand for your product. And that's what I did. I've just made few ad groups in which I hope to figure out which message resonates with people. Who are those people? We are testing locations, we are testing different keywords. I've made a list of 300 negative keywords. I've spent 2 days figuring out how to set up my AdWords account and how to do it properly. And I really have to stress it, this is an art. And I suggest you go to Udemy or some other courses online so you can figure it out and have a step-by-step process not to fuck it up. And let's jump into the video and see how I did that. It all starts with keyword research, and that's what I did. I was looking for backpacks and all these themes for people who search backpacks like style, best, executive, etc. After that, I have created 13 ad groups to match those keywords with. And this was just the generic work that I had to do it manually. You have 13 ad groups, you have 10 keywords, and you just multiply that. So in the end I have over than 100 keywords that I put in my campaign. So this is the ads from professional theme, so you just add style and tech function in one, add 9 keywords which are broad and exact phrase matches. And here I have my ads ready to roll. What I love about AdWords is that how precise you can target the audience in different countries. So I tried to figure out who are my audience, and my first assumption is to target business districts in major cities like New York, San Francisco, Chicago, London, and Paris, and that's how I did it. So basically I was searching for addresses in Google for business districts where the financial markets are, and that's really simple. That's what I think my target audience, the people who like the technology, fashion and premium stuff, are located. So let's review what we have in the end. We have created pre-leads gen with 13 ad groups, and in each ad group we have different themed ads. For example, let's try luxury smart backpacks, it's technology meets fashion, and this message we test on our landing page, meaning that I have created a dedicated landing page with this kind of message. So every ad directs to its own landing page. Let's have a look at USB charging. Activate security tech powers. That's kind of message that I want people to feel that it's powerful enough to own Prequel backpack. And some references, and in the end we have a sign up form, and this is a conversion for me. So email, and after that you receive a gift and enter email sequence in which I educate about technology features of Prequel, and this way we warm up our audience prior to the launch. Hey guys, thanks a lot for being with me here today. I appreciate your attention and I'm looking forward to seeing your feedback down here below. And if you have any insights or suggestions of what should I improve, how should I approach my lead generation process, I would appreciate it very, very much. So stay tuned for the next episodes. It was me, Max Pacomico. See you next time. Cheers.